check out this nice ass Buick. We went out on a date yesterday with it, and then we was racing a, what was it? I was trying to race somebody because this thing is supercharged.
Charger.
Yeah, Charger. And then it started overheating. So you never know what you're gonna get at the auction. But it's a clean car. Like, I love it when I find these cars like that are old and really clean, and then I'm gonna sell them, buy here, pay here, and hopefully they stay clean. But there's a really high chance of them coming back either wrecked, totaled, or just completely destroyed. So y'all want to know what it's like to buy salvage cars? On Saturdays you get to go look for parts. Hopefully we find them though. So this is the expedition that we're gonna go work on. Well, we're gonna go try to find the parts for it. As y'all can see, it's got front end damage, radiator, AC condenser. We already found those parts. They're ordered online, brand new. The main thing I'm looking for is gonna be the grille, the bumper, and the bottom bumper. It says Pull Apart has them about 35 minutes away, so we're going, nah, it's probably about 45 minutes away. We're gonna see if they actually have them in the same color. Overall though, even though it's hit up front, this thing right here is in really good shape interior wise. I know the brakes are also bad. We'll get that taken care of also. So we found this one. We're gonna take the front bumper off. We also found that one over there. We're gonna get the chrome grille. We're gonna leave this grille here because we don't, ours is chrome. Actually ended up finding the whole radiator assembly, AC condenser, front bumper, grille. So we ended up getting the radiator, front bumper cover, the grille, AC condenser, what else? Transmission cooler, all for about $150. So I think labor-wise, I'm gonna have another $300-400 into it. So I should have that expedition back up on the road, maybe like $800 or so. So we'll just see how it goes. We're back at the shop, and then that right there is the parts. So there it is, and then we got my dad. He's gonna get those put on. Here's the expedition. And as always, y'all, subscribe, comment down below any thoughts on this. I've been doing the rebuilt title cars for about 4 years now. Getting kind of tired of having to go get parts, but hey, that's what makes me money. As you can see, that's what was damaged on it. Could have got away with not even replacing that, but might as well replace all of it. Peace out, y'all.